Hi, I'm Andy, owner of Sonic Solutions. Plastics extrusion and blow molding requires dry, pure and temperature controlled air. This uses parts like filters and condensers, but over time they become blocked with waste oils and other airborne particulate. They're very expensive and supply can be an issue, but cleaning isn't easy. They're smelly, unpleasant and difficult to clean thoroughly. Plus, the disposal of the waste is costly. The solution? Outsource your cleaning to us. We use a combination of cleaning processes to get rid of all the oil and particulate-based contaminants. We restore your parts to nearly new at a fraction of the price. From nearly completely blocked to free and ready to go. We've saved companies like Alpla thousands of pounds in replacement parts or hundreds of hours in cleaning it themselves. Reliable, consistent, hassle-free. It's what you ask for, it's what you get.